Hello, in this lesson we will talk about Spider Rank Reporter, and you will see that it's very nice program. It is very useful, and if you are serious about your SEO and if you have a lot of clients, I would highly recommend using this excellent helpful SEO software. So let's have a look at the program itself. First of all, you can create unlimited projects here. As you can see, I have a lot of projects. So let's have a look at these options. First one is file. You can create new project. This one is the same one. You can create it below. You can save the project, delete the project, import and export the project. All this is pretty obvious. The next one is you can generate report. Here's the same button, generate report. Then you have advanced project settings. Here are some basic settings. Keyword interval from 10 to 50. I would suggest to leave it as it is. Also, you have result page interval from 5 to 25. Query timeout 30 seconds. And you can scan the first 100 results or whatever results would you like. Usually, I'm leaving this to 100. If you want to check whether you are in the first 10 results, you can change this to 10, but I will go to 100 results. You can also change the logo of this of the report. Let's create one report to show you the logo. This is basic process. I just want to show you the report, then we will come back. I will show you how to make a report for every project that you would like. The program is generating a report for 508 keywords, so it will take a while to create this report. Usually it's working very fast if you have less keywords in your project, but now I have 508 keywords, so it will take a while. Alright, it's ready. Let's open this report and have a look what's inside. The logo we were talking about was this one. You can change it to whatever logo you would like. We will come back to this report later. Let's continue with this menu. So you can change this logo from here. Just click on browse and select your logo. Okay, then you have DNS pooling, you have prevent query overlapping. All these are checked as enabled, and I would suggest to leave them as they are. Okay, domain alliances, you can check your competitors as well. I'm not using this one, and you can use proxies for your project. Usually I would use Spider Rank Reporter without proxies. I used to work with proxies, but they will slow down your work. And the best part is that you can also use private proxies. You can type your username and password here, select the port for the proxies, and you can go on with the work. But I would suggest to work with your IP address. Okay, so we have advanced project settings. You can view keyword history for all of these projects. You can select the project from here. This is the same as this button here, so but I'm using report for this case. You have history management. You can also play around with this tool. Alright, let's have a look at the default project settings in the settings section. Again, we have competitors, we have proxies, Also we have, as you can see, there's no much difference from the advanced settings. They're almost the same. Alright, so we can use the scheduler. You can click on new and you can select if you would like to leave the program to work for 1 or 2 days. In your absence, you can create one project and then to create another project for your tracking purposes. Alright, you have also email settings. After the project is stopped working, it can send you an email with the results. I'm not using this one. Alright, shared proxies. You can scrape some proxies. This is feature the same as in the scrape box. You can get search engine updates, and I would recommend to leave this checked. Get search engine updates at start. Alright, in the settings you can create your own reports with the report designer or reset to the previous settings. I'm not touching nothing here because I like the look of the report. Their logo is here, also the website for the report, the date range. This is from 10th of April to 10th of May. The interval generated on, and after that there are the results. Right, we'll go back to this later. So you can see that also there are some additional options in the keyword tools. You can play with them. There's keyword generator, weblog parser, keyword extractor, and cleanup keywords. I'm not using this one. You can play around with them. Basically, the main purpose of this software is to track your results in the search engines for different types of keywords. So that's why I'm using this program only. But of course, you can find any additional options of this program useful for you. Alright, so let's create one project now. It's very easy. Click on new, and here you will have to give it a name. It will show up here, and the root URL for your project, which will be here. Right, let's track one keyword for this site. Okay, we'll copy and paste it here, and I will give it a name example. Then click OK, and by default you can see that it will show all of the search engines such as all, ask.com, Bing Australia, Bing Canada, Bing UK, Bing, Google Canada, google.co.uk, and so on and so forth. This website is for British people and for England, for London. So I'm interested only in google.co.uk, so I will deselect all these search engines and select only google.co.uk. Right, here's our website, and now the third step is to type the keywords here. Let's type window cleaning company. If we click on enter, we can type any other keywords. Let's track window cleaning company and window cleaners, and then we'll need to select this button, go. Alright, let's go. Do you want to clear the alt results? Yes. And let's see which place is this website. Here you can see that the program is working, the time, and currently the position is on, I'm on the 12th place for window cleaning company. And for window cleaners, here's the title of this page, the description. Let's check in google.co.uk whether it's true or not. I will use page wash to clear all the cookies. Alright, let's type. And let's check the accuracy of this program. Actually, we are higher in the search engines. We are on the 7th place instead of a 12, but sometimes it will take in mind the servers in the UK which are not refreshed. So sometimes it can show bad results instead of better ones. For example, now we are on the 7th place, it shows 12. It doesn't matter at all. Now let's check the window cleaners and see whether we are in the 27th place. Window cleaners. Alright, here we are. So with this 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, yes, exactly 27th place. Right, as you can see, the program is working just fine. I'm using it a lot with all these clients. And here are some of the results. +2 means that from the previous start of this program for this campaign, the site was on 41th position. Now it is on 39th position. Alright, let me show you this recent project. As you can see, we have very nice positions. It's a website in United Kingdom as well. It is for painting and decorating, and the areas and all of the areas here. Right, so this is one of the area Alberton. We have no movement. 0 means no movement. And for some areas we have 9 positions up to the 2nd position in Google. And then we have some going down here from 84 to 60 position, but this is Google Dance, so it's not very bad. Alright, if we want to generate a report with these results, we just go to report here, click on next, and we can choose between the keywords, or we can select all of them. Let's click on next. We can select the search engine, and here's the interesting part. We have some options here. First, we can rank history by search engines. The report will look like this. All the keywords will be like this with the changes, and we can choose the rank history by keyword. This type of report, all the keywords will be separated by themselves. We will generate one of these reports to show you how it looks like, and we can include charts, or we can disable this option. Usually I'm using charts because they look very nice. So we have an option for the history, whether it's daily, weekly or monthly. We can select the range of this history. 30 days, 1 or 2 weeks, or 1 or 3 months. And the format, of course, PDF, Excel, or CSV. And where we would like to show this report. Usually I'm using my documents. Now we will choose the desktop. I will name it report 2. We have selected rank history by keywords, just to show you how does it look like. All right, this is the report for one of my sites I have completed recently, and as you can see, on 29th of April, the positions, one of the positions was 55, and on 9th of May, so it is approximately 10 days, the position was 11. So it's very nice to track all these results, because whenever you are seeing this green color and these plus numbers, it is very nice, because you can say that you have done very well your job. All right, and as you can see, we have 508 keywords, so there's a lot of work involved in creating this website, these inner pages. We have a lot of first places here. This is the postcode of the area. So it is very nice to see such results, such positive results. Sometimes after major Google updates, such as Panda or Penguin, you may see some going down in numbers, but there's nothing to be afraid of, because you must continue with your work and keep creating backlinks. Maybe change some stuff, but it's nothing to be afraid of. Again, if you're not using SEO networks, we will talk about SEO networks later on, you will have good results for sure in the future. Right, so let's click and see the second report. Here is the second report, and as you can see here, we have all the keywords, and if we click on them, you will see the progress for each of the keywords. These are the charts from 4th to 10th position. Let's select this one. We have almost no movement here. So from nothing on 29th of April, we have number 2 position on 9th of May. All right. So you can select for yourself which keywords you would like to use. You would, of course, you must make very good research, and I would suggest to use Google Webmaster Tools, Keyword Tool, or you can use Market Samurai, and then you can create some backlinks using the programs we have described, and then you can track all the movement in your progress using InSpider Rank Reporter. I love this program because it helps me a lot with my work, and I would highly recommend it for using by serious SEO masters.